Now children, observe this question which is given here. Limit x tends to 0 cosec x minus cot x. Again, if I will apply a direct limit, you may observe this form is not defined in mathematics. So some mathematical formation is required here. So we do limit x tends to 0. In place of cosec x, may I write down 1 upon sin x because it is a reciprocal of sin. Minus, in place of cot x, we can write down cos x upon sin x. Now you may observe here I can take out an LCM. So here I can take LCM. So after taking LCM, we'll get 1 minus cos x. Now 1 minus cos x, for that we have studied one formula in trigonometry in the third chapter, that 1 minus cos x is equals to 2 sin square x by 2. So which is equals to limit x tends to 0, 2 sin square x by 2. Now you may observe in the numerator you got half angle and here you are having a full angle. So again one more formula you have studied in trigonometry, that sin 2x is equals to 2 sin x cos x. So sin x will be, you may observe, angle double here and here half. So here x given, so it will be 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So this formula will apply here. So we'll get 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 2 will be cancelled out. 1 time sin also cancel out. So now we have limit x tends to 0, sin x upon cos x, 10x. So we'll have 10x by 2. Now apply this limit 10 0 by 2, that is 10 0, and that value is going to be 0 only. Now second question here will solve. Limit x tends to pi by 2 10 to x minus pi by 2. As you have studied one formula, that limit x tends to 0 sin x upon x is equals to 1. So similarly one formula you have limit x tends to 0 10x upon x which is equals to 1. So whenever you will see this 10 ratio, you have to convert in term of this form. Now observe that your question here you have given x minus pi by 2 and the range limit should be 0, and here we have pi by 2. So for that what I should do? So let me assume let x minus pi by 2 equals to h. Now when x tends to pi by 2, then h tends to, substitute in place of x pi by 2, you may observe pi by 2 minus pi by 2, it is going to be 0. Now convert your x function in term of h. So here you will get limit h tends to 0. Here 10, 2 in a bracket, in place of x will get h plus pi by 2 or pi by 2 plus h. So here I can write pi by 2 plus h divided by x minus pi by 2, that is h only. Now here if you will take LCM, so you will get which is equals to limit h tends to 0 10 2 in a bracket pi plus 2h upon 2 divided by h. You may observe 2 to cancel out. So now we have limit h tends to 0 10 pi plus 2h upon h. Now you may observe pi plus 2h. See here, your Cartesian plane all S, T, C. You have studied in the third chapter. So 0, pi by 2, pi. Here 3 pi by 2. So here observe pi plus pi by 2 means you are in a third quadrant. In a third quadrant 10 is positive and 10 pi plus theta is 10 theta only. So here we will get which is equals to limit h tends to 0, 10, 2h upon h. Now here observe your angle is 2h. To convert into this form I have to multiply and divide by 2. Now you may observe this value is going to be 1. So 2 into 1 which is equals to 2. This is a solution of the given question. Children, hope the solutions understood to you. Thank you.